In a series of measurement, today's topic is measurement of length. Length. Have you seen the distance between two cities and these kind of signboards? 250 kilometer, for example, for Hyderabad. So we can say the distance between two cities or the distance between 2 points, or we can say your height, that is also a length. It means we can say that length is the distance between 2 points. Ancient instruments to measure length are footstep, rope, handspan and arms, etc. And modern instruments you know very well, like ruler and these kind of measuring tape, screw gauge, all. Standard unit of length is meter. For example, this guitar. The total length of this guitar is approximately 1 meter. The distance between Delhi to Mumbai is approximately 1413 kilometer. The length of a saucer field is approximately 1 hectometer. The length of a bus is approximately 1 decameter. The height of a bottle of water is approximately 2 decimeter. The length of a tennis ball is approximately 6 centimeter. Therefore, we have seen so many units. Multiples are units of measurement which are bigger than meter. For example, multiples are like kilometer, hectometer and decameter. These are bigger than meter. Meter, which is a standard unit of length. And submultiples are units of measurement which are smaller than meter. For example, these are submultiples: decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. How can we learn these multiples and submultiples of units? We can learn it by a very easy method. You need to learn this sentence only. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. It is very simple. King, just remember king and it starts from K. So there is a K which represents kilometer. Harry, the H represents hectometer. D represents decameter. Mother, M represents the basic units which is meter. Didn't, the D represents here decimeter. C represents here centimeter and M represents here millimeter. So you need to remember this line only. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now, how can we convert these units to each other? It is very simple. These are just like the place value chart of decimal. And how you will learn? When you need to convert higher units in lower units, you need to multiply by 10. For example, kilometer to hectometer, you need to multiply by 10. Then hectometer to decameter, again you need to multiply by 10. Then decameter to meter, you need to multiply by 10. In similar way, meter to decimeter, you need to multiply by 10. And decimeter to centimeter, you need to multiply by 10. Centimeter to millimeter, you need to multiply by 10. Now, what if we need to convert lower units to higher units? There is a opposite operation of multiplication, that is division. So what we need to do? Divide. Yes, whenever you need to convert millimeter into centimeter, we need to do division by 10. In similar way, centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. Decimeter to meter, again divide by 10. In similar way, meter to decameter, divide by 10. And decameter to hectometer, divide by 10. And when you need to convert hectometer into kilometer, again you need to divide by 10. By this, you can make so many other conversions also. In this video, we will learn how to convert very common units of length. For example, kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter only. At first we will do to change higher unit to lower unit. For example, centimeter to millimeter. Just remember this chart and you know that when you need to convert centimeter into millimeter, you need to multiply by 10. It means you can make the formula that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So if you need to convert centimeter into millimeter, you need to multiply by 10. 5 centimeter equal to 5 multiplied by 10 millimeter, which is equals to 50 millimeter. Let us do one more. 6.5 centimeter. If you need to convert this 6.5 centimeter into millimeter, again you need to multiply by 10. And if you need to multiply by 10 by any decimal number, what you will do? 65 multiplied by 10, you know that it is 650 and put decimal after one place. It means it is 65 millimeter. Now, meter into centimeter and meter into millimeter. How to convert? Meter into centimeter. If you will see that there are multiply by 10 and multiply by 10. It means you need to multiply by 100 when you need to convert meter into centimeter. And when you need to convert meter into millimeter, you need to multiply by 1000. Now, next is 16 meter. 16 meter. How you will convert 16 meter into centimeter? Very easy. Meter to centimeter. Multiply by 100. So 16 multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equals to 1600 centimeter. Now what if we need to convert 16 meter into millimeter? Yes, we will multiply by 1000. So when you will convert 16 meter into millimeter, we will multiply by 1000 millimeter. So it is equals to 16,000 millimeter. Now, if you need to convert kilometer into meter, centimeter and millimeter, just observe this. Kilometer to meter. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. We need to multiply by 10 three times. It means multiply by 1000. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And in similar way, if you need to convert kilometer into centimeter, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is 1 lakh centimeter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. And for millimeter, it is 10 lakh millimeter. Now you can easily convert anything which is in kilometer into meter, centimeter or millimeter. For example, 8.5 kilometer. If you need to convert this into meter, what you will do? You will multiply by 1000. 8.5 multiply by 1000 meter because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So it is 8500.0 meter, or we can say it is 8500 meter. Now what we will do if we need to convert lower unit to higher unit? Just observe this chart. Whenever you need to convert lower unit into higher unit, we divide by 10. And if we need to convert millimeter into centimeter, meter and kilometer, what you will do? Millimeter to centimeter, it means we will divide by 10. And millimeter to meter, 10, 10, 10. It means we will divide by 1000. And millimeter to kilometer, it is by 10 lakh. So it is very easy. Now just convert this into decimal also. 1 millimeter equal to 0.1 centimeter, which is equals to 0.001 meter, and 1 millimeter equals to 0.000001 kilometer. We can convert this 1 by 10 into 0.1 centimeter, 1 by 1000 into 0.001 meter, and 1 by 10 lakh equals to 0.000001 kilometer. Now let us do this question. 7000 millimeter. If you need to convert this millimeter into meter, you know that millimeter into meter, it means you need to divide by 1000. So 7000 by 1000 meter. And you know that by 0 we can cut all these 3 zeros. So it is now only 7 meter. Let us do one more, 60 millimeter. If you need to convert millimeter into centimeter, so what you will do, divide by 10. It means 60 by 10 centimeter, and we will cancel this 0 by 0. So it is only 6 centimeter. Now just do one more conversion, that is centimeter to meter and centimeter to kilometer. If you need to convert centimeter to meter, you will divide by 100. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter, and 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 1 lakh kilometer. Now you can do any question of conversion between them. Just like this, 180 centimeter. If you need to convert this 180 centimeter into meter, what you will do? You will divide by 100, because 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 180 centimeter equal to 1 by 180 by 100 meter, which is equals to 1.8 meter. You know how to convert this kind of decimal fraction into decimal number? And if you don't know, then kindly refer my videos of decimal numbers. Now let us do another type of question, express in meter and centimeter. You know this conversion chart, right? So it is also very easy to you. For example, your question is this, 382.14 meter. It is in form of decimal number and you need to convert into meter and centimeter. This decimal number can be written like this, 382 meter plus 0.14 meter. It is expanded form, right? Now what we will do, 382 meter we will write as it is, and 0.14 meter can be written as a decimal fraction, which is 14 by 100 meter. Now you need to convert this 14 by 100 meter into centimeter, and you know that when you will convert meter into centimeter, you need to multiply by 100. So if you will multiply this by 100, you will get only 14. So it is 382 meter plus 14 centimeter. Now you can write it into meter and centimeter, 382 meter, 14 centimeter. It is very easy to do. Next one is 0.03 meter. It is also very simple. This 0 can be written as 0 meter plus 0.03 meter. Now 0 meter will be as it is, and this 0.03 can be written as decimal fraction, which is 3 by 100 meter. Now again just convert this 3 by 100 meter into centimeter. Now just multiply by 100 and it is equals to 3 centimeter. So we can say 0 meter 3 centimeter. Now let us express in meters using decimal notation. So just remember this chart and solve this. 721 meter 58 centimeter. At first we can write like this also, 721 meter plus 58 centimeter, right? Now we need to convert both parts in meter. One part is already in meter, so just write this 721 meter as it is. We will convert this centimeter part into meter, and you know how to convert centimeter into meter. When you need to convert centimeter into meter, you need to divide by 100. So it is very simple, 721 meter plus 58 by 100 meter. Now it is converted into meter. Now we can write this as decimal also. So it is 721 meter plus 0.58 meter, and we will write it in a combined form, which is 721.58 meter. Let us do one more, 38 centimeter. You need to convert it into meters. It is very simple, centimeter into meter. It means you need to divide by 100. So 38 divided by 100 meter, simple. Now we will write this in a form of decimal number because there are 2 0 in denominator. So we will put decimal after 2 places. It means it is 0.38 meter. Now let us express in meters by using decimal notation. So here is your question. And remember this chart also. Question is this: 723 meter 5 millimeter. Now here, because you need to express in meters, it means you need to convert this millimeter into meters. So at first we will write this like this: 723 meter plus 5 millimeter. We will write 723 meter as it is, and we will convert this 5 millimeter into meter. How we will convert millimeter into meter? Just see this chart. Millimeter to meter, it means you need to divide by 100, no, 1000, 10, 10, 10. It means you need to divide by 1000. So it is like this: 723 meter plus 5 by 1000 meter. And just write this part in a form of decimal. So it is 0.005 meter. Now write it in a combined form. It is 723.005 meter. Simple. Let us do one more question. Here 402 meters 7 centimeter 9 millimeter. It was write like this: 402 meter plus 7 centimeter plus 9 millimeter. Now because you need to express it is into meter, so we will write this part as it is because it is already in meter. We need to convert this 7 centimeter into meter and 9 millimeter into meter. So what we will do, at first we know that centimeter to meter, it means we need to divide by 100. So 7 by 100 meter, and here millimeter to meter, it means we will divide by 1009 by 1000 meter. Now we will write these both parts in form of decimal numbers. So it is like this: 0.07 meter, because here are two zeros in 100, that's why it is 0.07, and here 0.009 meter. Now we will write this together. So it is 402.079 meter. So, my dear students, in mathematics, it is very important to do practice because practice makes perfect. So, do practice.